Hello, everyone! This is Alex Sprite 2006 here, and I'm here, and also, everybody, well, I just got 150 subscribers. And also, here is something that I created. Here it comes in 3, 2, 1. Yes, my friends. This is the 150 subscribers play button. I made it all by myself. Well, to be honest, I've been trying to draw that on the front, but it looked brown. I colored it, the cardboard all over with a marker, with a red marker. But the good side is, the back side is incredible. And I also got duct tape all over to the sides. And this says, for Alex Sprite 2006, for surpassing 150 subscribers. You can tell on that. Well, that is pretty cool. So, I'm actually going to keep this with me. I've been creating this for a very long time. But, I just wanted it to dry a little bit to see if I got markers on my hands. And also to all of you subscribers, for subscribing to the channel until 150 subscribers, here is a big, big hug. The biggest hug that I've ever had. Oh. Oh. Is that better? I am a cute hugger, am I? So everyone wanted to make a subscriber play button that everyone wanted a custom play button on that they made all by themselves, but it's pretty cool. This is amazing. And also, don't forget to all the people who didn't subscribe to me yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And until we get 1,000 subscribers. That's a whole lot. Am I right? Anyways, don't forget to subscribe until I get 1,000 subscribers. So, I'll see you later. Peace out.